Today I'm making everything pretzel bites. First, on a cutting board I have some pizza dough. Next I'm going to cut the pizza dough into 4 pieces, and then after that I'm going to roll each piece into a log. Next I'm going to cut each log into bite-sized pieces. Next I have a large pot that I filled halfway with water, and now that it's boiling I'm slowly going to add a half a cup of baking soda. Then I'm going to add a few pieces of the pizza dough and let it cook for about 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds is up, I'm using a skimmer to skim out the pieces of dough. I'm going to put them on a lined cookie sheet, and then after that I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the pizza dough. Next I have a bowl with some everything but the bagel seasoning. I'm going to dip each pretzel bite in the seasoning. Next I'm going to bake these at 400 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. This is what the everything pretzel bites looked like when they came out of the oven, and I served it with some honey mustard.